I just more. I'm just about to buy my first crypto on Binance. I already deposited some money last week on Binance, but I transferred that money to CJ on Style. I'm investing on CJ on Style. My friend Vasco is the one. That helping me how to do this. But I'm about to buy my first crypto today. I booked a day off from work. I'm reading this book and yeah, I booked day off because yesterday I went to submit some documents, and then today I decided no, I'm gonna book today's off. I'm just gonna work tonight on my security business at night in local nightclubs. But I'm about to buy my first crypto. I'm excited. Never mind, there's a plans I wrote, my planning board, if you can call it, on the wall. But yeah, I'm about to buy my first crypto. I'll be investing more on Bitcoin. Every time I put money in, I'll put more into Bitcoin and Ethereum, and then the rest of the money will be going to the other ones. I'll be investing normally in buying crypto from 10 different if I can say crypto companies. So, but I'll be investing more on Bitcoin and Ethereum, and the rest will be going to the rest of the money. But yeah, I'm excited. The first time investing on, first time invest. Well, never mind the bottle, the JD. So I'm not sponsored by JD. I'm just making the video and he's in front of me. So I'm excited. Invest in cryptocurrency. The time is now. That's the future. The future is now. Invest in cryptocurrency. This is Melanina Media.